This is a 1994 Toyota pickup front bumper removal. The top part of the bumper, or the grille, essentially is pushed in with a bunch of pins. As you can see, all of my pins are essentially broken, and there's 3 on the bottom. The pins will look something like this. Which helps locks in all of these front points. Most likely you will need to get some new ones when you take out the front grille. The front grille doesn't necessarily need to be replaced or taken off for the bumper. For the bumper itself, there are a couple of things that needs to be removed. There is a L bracket to the side, or not a bracket, but a bolt connected, a 12 to right here, and this 12 connects to the bottom of the grille right here. So that pushes into the frame. There are 1 on each side, and then there is this middle part where there is the grille has right here. There's the top and bottom, which goes into the top and bottom slots right here, which you can take it. I believe it's another 12 millimeter from the back and on top. I didn't know how to take it off, so I essentially took off the 14s right here. I took off this entire bracket. I don't think you need to take out the entire bracket to take off the front grille. There is the 2 bolts on the bottom, or 2 screws on the bottom. For the bottom piece of the front bumper, which I am replacing. And of course, the top side, there are these little grommets that you can get. I'll list the part numbers on the video. That's pretty much it. Oh, one more thing on the corner right here. There is a plastic pin on the side of the bumper. Let me see if I can find it. Here we go. So the under tray right here, there are two of these, which is plugged in from the underside of the fender, push into the body. There's no pins on it. The only thing you need to do, as you can see, there's a little knob on the corner of each side. Push in and then push out. Everything else, I believe, is a 10 millimeter, which will give you more access right here to take the L bracket out, which connects to the front bumper. Good luck.